So you know how I'm always giving you the tea on random tools I find? Well, this is one of the best ones I've sent you in a while. It's a new feature called WorkFLOWS, brand new in Kittl, and you can generate pretty much any image or video you might need for your business in just a few clicks. You literally pick what kind of image or video you want from workflows that are already built, upload your design, choose from a few options, and download. That's the entire process. No prompting, no editor, no design skills. And the range of options is crazy. Whatever you need for your business is likely already sitting in there. And the best part is these are built by people who know what works. Every workflow is shaped by Kittl's design team, their prompting, their design know-how, their eye for what actually sells. With workflows, you're not guessing at style, you're choosing one that's already proven to work. AI workflows are now live in Kittl, so you can go see what's there. It's free to start, and for a limited time with the code WORKFLOWS, you can get 50% off any of their annual plans. I've got the link in the description box below. So whether you need to create a product design, a mock-up image, a video for social media, or branding assets, WorkFLOWS is about to be your new best friend, and I am super excited to show you what I just created with it. Okay, so all of the workflows live within this AI hub. So when you're logged into Kittl, you'll come here and see all of the different workflows with subcategories for merchandise. You can create UGC, which is user-generated content videos for social media, product visuals, images, product listing videos, marketing assets, mock-up images, branding. And they've even got a tools section that do different really cool things like swapping out a background, matching a logo style, or changing your product color. For any of these subcategories, you can click on View All and see all of the different workflows within that category that are available, and they each do something a little different. So this is the mockups area. All of these workflows are going to have to do with creating mockup images, but there's different types. So you could do something like a lifestyle product mockup, a flat lay mockup, a summer product mockup, an editorial style apparel mockup. There's so many different options here. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different specific workflows that I think would be super valuable and helpful for you. The first being creating a logo with a branding workflow. So we're going to come to where it says branding, click to view all the workflows. And here we've got options for different types of logo. We could choose a playful logo, a modern logo, a luxury, or a typographic logo, vintage or 3D. For now, let's go with create a playful logo, and this will bring us into the workflow itself. Now, what I love about this again is that you don't have to think about how to write this complex, robust prompt to try to describe the logo you're looking for. It gives you the fields to enter quick and easy. So the first one is going to be our brand name. Let's say our example brand is called Lily Lane. Then it says enter a few keywords about your business. I'm going to say a digital products shop that sells fun and colorful printable wall art for teen girls. Then you have the option to enter a tagline. For this, I'm just going to say cozy and cute. And then you can pick your style. So for this workflow, we can choose a kawaii style, doodle, bouncy letter, sticker pop, or soft blob. Let's go with bouncy letter for now. And you can even change the number of images you want. So if you want it to generate more than one, you can come to this little image selector here and go all the way up to 4 images at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and click on 4 and choose generate, and the AI will get to work and generate 4 different variations of this logo. Okay, so here are 4 options that it generated for us. These are all similar in the same bouncy letter style, but slightly different. Like this one has a little framed wall art of a flower hanging up. This one's just got some cute little doodle flowers and hearts. This one is including our cozy and cute tagline. It did a great job with this, but I'm interested to see what a different style might look like. So I'm going to change it from bouncy letter to kawaii and click generate again. And here are our 4 new kawaii style logos, similar but all different with the cute little graphics. So we could choose the one we like the best. And let's say we like it, but we want to change the color. I love how easy this is to edit. So you can hover over the one you like and click edit. Then you're going to click vectorize. This will turn it into a vector image. Then we can open it in the editor. And here we have our vector. So we can select it and come to the right to change the color. So let's say we wanted to go from this purple color to a nice green. It's just as easy as that to edit this to be exactly what we want. Now, if we like it as is, we can just quickly download it straight from here by clicking the download button, and it gives us the option of the format of the file. So we could choose PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF, and the size as well. So we created our logo, but now let's move on to the next workflow that's going to be super helpful, and that is creating an actual product design with a merchandise workflow. So here under merchandise, I'm going to click to view all, and they've got all of these different options for creating different product types and merchandise. You could create a streetwear design, a typography design, vintage, retro, Y2K, coloring book, line art, a food-inspired design, a blueprint. There are so many fun ones here. So let's first try out this quote design. The first step in this workflow is to write out the quote we want. So I'm just going to say, don't worry, be happy. And then we can choose our style. We've got chunky, projection, color extrusion, ultra slab, or multicolor. I'm going to go with this multicolor option. And then you have an optional third step of picking a background color. You don't have to, but you can. If you don't see the color you want here, you can click the little plus button and choose any color that you want. I'm going to go with a light yellow color and click generate. Okay, so here it is, our cute little multicolor quote design. So if we like it, we can just download straight from here. And now I'm going to go back because I want to try one of these other merchandise workflows. I noticed one that I know is really trending right now, and that is this doodle style design. I've seen so many of these kind of t-shirts that people are wearing with different cute little fun quotes. Now in this workflow, you can see this one is called the main quest style. There's also different options here. They're all fun doodle types, but we're going to go ahead and describe our topic. So this is basically just a little phrase of what we want it to look like. So if I want something similar to this, I could say a frog riding a skateboard. Then I can add an extra optional word or phrase here, what I want the text itself to say. So I'm just going to say it back to school. I'm going to stay on this main quest style, though you could choose one of the others. And my background color, I'm going to stick with a fun light blue. Okay, here's our cute little frog riding the skateboard back to school. This would be such a fun design for a t-shirt or a hoodie or tote bag or mug, really any kind of product that I wanted to sell. This could go on. And again, this is a super trending style right now. If I didn't quite like what it generated, I could always regenerate again to have it give me other options, or I could choose to generate up to 4 images at a time. I'm going to download this because I like that one. And as you start creating designs here on the main page with the workflows, you'll see your recent designs here. So you can always click back into something to access it again. I just love these workflows because you're seeing now how you don't have to really prompt it at all. All you're doing is entering at the most a word or a phrase here and there in these fields, and everything else is already built into the workflow by Kittl's team. So you don't even have to think about how to describe something like this to the AI tool. Okay, we're going to move on to our next workflow, which makes sense after a product design. We might want to create some mock-up images for our products to add to our listings or on social media. So we're going to come down to the mockups area. I'm going to click view all, and I want to create a lifestyle product mock-up with one of the designs we just created. So the first step with this one is to upload your design here. You can just click here to drop your image in or select your file. So I'm going to start with our Don't Worry, Be Happy poster that we created the design for and click use image. And then the next step is to pick your product that you want this to go on. You can choose a poster, a mug, a tote bag, a sticker, or click custom to add your own. For now, I want this to be a poster, so I'm going to leave it on that. And then you can pick the vibe that you want. They've got clean, homey, urban, luxury, nature, or again, a custom one. I want to see what homey looks like, so I'm going to choose that. And I'm going to change the number of images to 4 so we can get some options here and click generate. And look at these beautiful mock-up images. They're all similar, but they're all slightly different as well. If you look at the things in the background, like the plants, the books, the bowls, the mugs. So you can choose which one you like the best or even regenerate using a different style. Now I want to use this workflow to try a mug design. So I'm going to switch over to mug and I'm going to upload the little frog that I just created. So I'm going to see what he would look like on a mug. And this time for the vibe, I'm going to go with urban and see what that looks like. And here are my 4 mug mock-up options with my cute little frog design on them, all urban. You can see the worn concrete look in the background, gives it a totally different feel than we saw before with the homey vibe. Now it does have this blue background because that's what I used in the design itself. If you don't want that, you can always create your design just with a white background or even use Kittl's workflow for changing the product color by dropping your image here and selecting the new color for the mug or whatever product you're working with. I have had so much fun experimenting with these workflows. I hope you will too. Remember to click the link in the description box below or scan the QR code on the screen right now to try it out and start for free. And you can also use the code WORKFLOWS to get 50% off any of their annual plans for a limited time if you want to upgrade. I want to give a big thank you to Kittl for sponsoring this video and can't wait to hear how you like it. Talk soon, friend.